Manager, what it does is it allows you to see all of the indoor fan coil units. You can assign restrictions, set points, modes of operation, schedules from right here. This is the hallway unit outside that's got the arrow on the screen. You can see it's got the little yellow triangle. And if we push the yellow triangle, come on. Oh no, there it is. It shows AF on the screen. So, and which is what we saw outside. So this is what you'll have if there's an error with a fan coil unit. You'll see the little yellow caution. With the background lit green, that means that the unit is on. It shows you what the zone temperature is. It's in cool mode, and here you can also command set points also. If the unit is gray, like 304 shows, that means that the unit is off. Basically, it's cycled on temperature.
Say that again.
That's the one.
203? Wait, that's the one that's, well, that's the office.
That's the one
unit.
we're in right now.
Yeah.
Okay. Backing up a sec. When you
Okay.
said it's gray,
Yes.
you said it's because it's cycled on.
It's cycled off.
That means it's
cycled
either, it's either,
So it's satisfied. So all these greens that we're looking at some point are going to go gray.
possibly.
I mean, they go to try to satisfy, correct?
Well, yeah, I mean, the goal is to satisfy the zone set point.
Right. So at some point they'll reach that and they'll go gray.
Well, no, maybe, okay, let me clarify that.
Okay.
If the schedule is commanding the fan coil unit to run,
Okay.
it's going to be green, saying that it's turned on. Watch, go turn the on-off button on that thermostat to off. Okay, so 203 just went gray.
Okay.
Okay, so somebody's got it turned off for whatever reason. It'll just be gray. Now, if you want to command all of them at one time, this is the main screen. The way you navigate is these top buttons here, where you go, you can go scroll down, or you can go all the way back up to the top. This icon represents all of the equipment in the building. So if from here, I want to assign set point restrictions, on-off modes, whatever, I can actually do it as a global broadcast to all of them. Or if I don't want all of them, I can click the down button twice, and then I can go down to the unit specifically that I'm looking for. And I can give it separate restrictions. Mm-hmm. And then all you would do is go to setting. If you want to lock it in the on mode or off mode, you want to assign set points from the iTouch Manager. You can do that. You can also set the airflow direction. You can limit the set points. You can give it an upper range or a lower range. Or you can completely lock it out from this screen by telling it, you know what, I'm gonna prohibit somebody from turning this unit on and off, or changing the operation mode, or adjusting the set point. So you really can't do anything to screw anything up right here. This is just kind of a menu for you to lock out some options on the nav controller, is what you're doing. So now the unit operates on a schedule. You guys said you wanted it to operate from 5:30 in the morning till 8:30 p.m. Monday through Friday. And now it does that.
Okay.
If you want to get to the schedule, you would hit this menu list. Mm-hmm. And there's the schedule right there.
Okay.
There's the schedule that I created. If you want to look at the schedule, you would just hit edit. And I have PowerPoint presentations on this stuff too I can give you. And it walks you through building schedules and so forth. So right now, I have the schedule enabled, and we can look at the weekly pattern. So here, you can see every weekday from 5:30 in the morning till 8:30, we're in a start mode. It starts where the arrow is green, it turns off where the line is gray. Saturday, I've got it from 7 in the morning till 3 p.m. And Sunday, I've got it set to come on again at 7 in the morning and go till 3 p.m. at a higher temperature, at a setback basically, because we don't want to just leave the entire building off for a day, especially in the summertime. So it'll operate 78 degrees in cooling, 64 degrees in heating on Sunday. But if you wanted to edit it, all you got to do is where you can highlight whichever one you want, and you hit the edit button.
Okay, so for those days, go back to that schedule again, please. So for the weekday, where you're showing 5:30 to 8, it's actually operating from 12 a.m. to 5, whatever, and
it's off.
Is it off? Off?
Yes, it's right now. It's just my instructions were just to turn everything off. Now, if y'all want to do a nighttime setback with temperatures,
Yeah, because I thought was the most efficient way to use the system, was to have, just allow the temperature to go to a different setting where I thought that was what we were going to do.
the email that I got clearly stated just to turn it off. Again, it could do anything.
Because when you turn it off, temperatures rise in the room, right?
Depending on ambient condition, it may fall,
Well, yeah, if it's cold outside.
or it may just